Hello everyone, and good afternoon or evening or morning depending when you're watching this video. So this video we are going to be unboxing this really cool advent calendar from Stampin Up. If you don't know me, I'm Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers, and I'm super excited that you guys are here. And this advent calendar is something new that Stampin Up has never done before. And so I ordered it. It's $99 here in the US, and it comes like this. So there is a stamp set. This is a stamp set. It comes separately from the box. It's called the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. It is a photopolymer set. There's 2 sheets in there. And then the calendar itself comes like this, and it is in a brown box. So we're going to open this up and open up all the boxes. So if for some reason you ordered this and you want to be surprised, then you're probably not going to want to watch this video. But if you are like, I want to see what's in there, then continue watching, and we will open this up together. Now, when I was in Utah for my $1 Million Sales retreat, we got to see this then and open up the boxes, and I really loved it. So I have kind of seen this before, so I know most people haven't, but I got that little perk of doing that. So this box though, it just feels really nice. If a box can feel nice, this feels really nice. And now let's open it up. So I know my camera is kind of zoomed in, but this is kind of what it looks like. And so actually when I was in Utah, I got to open up door number 1 first. So let's do that and see. So I remember what this was because I opened it. I don't remember what's in all the other doors like offhand. But in here we have a set of dies. So I should get a black piece of paper. I should have got a magnet sheet. Let me grab one so you guys can see better. So here are the dies. There's like a little scallop and a rainbow, some flowers, leaves, butterflies. So 7 different dies in box number 1. Why is my chair getting all tangled? All right, I'm going to put these back in here so I don't lose them, and then we're going to go on to box number 2. My chair is hooked on my cord from my heat tool. Of course, I didn't notice that before I went live or recorded the video. Okay. So, next up, let's open number 2. All right, I kind of fixed that. So number 2 is over here, and it's kind of this giant box, and if you kind of look at it, you might be able to guess what is in here. And so I'm just carefully opening, and in box number 2, we have some beautiful designer series paper. Now, I should note that all these products are exclusive to this advent calendar. And so we have, it is not double-sided. So we have this pattern. Oh, it's so pretty though. Like some florals, and it looks like pretty in pink. Oh, that's really pretty too. Maybe some old olive, some misty moonlight, some very pretty colors. So we have a DSP 6x6 stack of paper for day number 2. Now let's go into day number 3. All right, day number 3 is over here, and ooh, day number 3 is this beautiful, it looks like a sequins, like some gold glitter pieces. like, that'd be really fun for like a shaker card. I don't know if I can get them back in. Or to just add some sparkle. So some fun little embellishments for day 3. All right, now we're gonna go to day 4, which is up here. I'm just putting these kind of a little bit back. Okay, day 4. This is fun, you guys. This would make a really great gift or a gift to give yourself. Or both. So number 4 is a little ephemera pack. So in here we have all these little like labels and tags and banners, and they're white with some gold going around them. So that's really cute and fun for day 4. So you can use these pieces to scrapbook, make cards, all kinds of things. Okay, day 5 is over here. These open up pretty easy too. They have really good perforated edges. Ooh, day 5 is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. So this, I know what this is again. It's a little mini mask set. So we have, they layer 1, 2, then we have 3 and 4, and then it comes with this tiny little blending brush. Isn't that so cute? It's like the cutest little brush. And we're told that you can only get it in the kit. So maybe somebody wants this just for this cute little brush. But it does have an angle, and it's really soft, but a set of stencils there for that day. Day 5. All right, now we're moving on to day 6. Ooh, these are really fun too. Okay, these are like epoxy stickers. They're like puffy. And they're like cherries and bows and rainbows and cupcakes and flowers and strawberries. And you get 2 sheets, and they just feel like, they feel really, really nice. They're really cute and pastel. They match, like everything is matching so far. Well, it is. It all coordinates. Okay, now we're on day 7, which is down here. Okay. Ooh, in here are a set of dies. And so these dies are pretty cool. They're almost like a cool shape to them. And some of them, like it looks like, could layer together. So 5 more dies. So pretty cool. You could make a lot of great little tags and labels with these. All right, looking for number 8, which is over here on the other side. Where's 7? Put those back. All right. So I love that this isn't like, this is just like a all occasion products in here. It's really neat. Ooh, okay, if you guys know me, you know I love ribbon. And so these, we get 2 twines, and number 8, it looks like maybe a Calypso coral in white, and then maybe a Misty Moonlight in white. So love twine, so that is cool for number 8. Number 9 is up here. I should note that this costs $99, and it is while supplies last. But the value of the contents is, they told us, around $120 to $30. So you definitely get more than what you're paying for. So really good deal. Okay, this is another like almost like a Memories and More pack, or ephemera pack, it looks like. So there's some 3x4 cards. Ooh, and these are double-sided. So you have the pink, Wish You Were Here, It's a Great Day, pink stripes, and then floral. I love these cards to make quick and easy cards or for your memory keeping little bows. And then you also get more ephemera pieces. And these are, oh, look at all these little pieces like cupcakes and flowers and petals, bows, little cherries, all kinds of cute little pieces. And they're not double-sided, so know that, but really cute little like ephemera pack and some memories and more cards, 3x4 size. All right, let's put those back and go on to the next day. I'm trying to keep everything tidy. All right, that was number 9. So we're on number 10 now. 10 is down here. I'm gonna put those back in number 1. Okay, this is a little box. Ooh, this one is some more like shaker pieces. It is iridescent and gold. And there's little flowers. Oh my gosh, there's little hearts. I don't even remember this last time. Like, oh, there's bows too. Wow. Okay, this is super fun, especially if you like fussy things. But do you see that bow? And then these little heart pieces. This would be super, super fun for a shaker card. You could obviously glue these down too. I don't know if I have the patience for that, but do you see these little gold flowers? And then all kinds of fun little, really pretty pieces in there. So you get this whole little baggie of stuff. Now, can I pour that back in? Maybe and maybe not. We'll see. Okay. Go in there. My funnel isn't funneling very well. Okay, we're doing the best we can. All right, that was number 10. We have only 2 more boxes to open. Okay, number 11 is over here. This is like a long, narrow one. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, look at this. We haven't had anything like this in a long time. This looks like glitter glue, and it is gold. How beautiful is that? And we actually got to play with this. So it is really pretty. I did see it in action. Really, really pretty. So some gold glitter glue. All right. And our last day, number 12, right here. Let's open this one up. Okay, and we have some more cards, and it looks like ephemera or laser cut pieces. Okay, these are all embossed though. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but there's like white embossed 3x4 cards. So you could use like a blending brush to pull out those colors. This little flowers. So you got 3 of these, and then these must be all the same. Yep, so you got 3 and 3. And then this pack has the laser, some really nice laser cuts that are circles. And then you got some little leaves, flowers. Oh, this is like really delicate and fancy. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, that is absolutely beautiful. So there are all your things. Now, if you did order I should have said this at the beginning, the advent calendar from me, we have a 12-day tutorial that you'll get starting on November 1st, or it is for sale in my tutorial store. So you can get every day. We just use like day 1 and then built on the tutorial. So there's 12 different projects using the products from this advent calendar. So this is, again, the first time Stampin' Up! Has done this. They did tell us they have another one in the works, so I know it's something they're gonna try again. So I hope you guys love this. I'm excited to craft and create with it. This was super fun. I actually bought this one for myself, and I did buy one for my mother-in-law, who loves to craft and loves Stampin' Up products. So again, it's fun for you, fun for a gift or a friend. And you could even get it and get together with friends and just have fun creating. Again, here is the stamp set that comes with it, and it has all different sentiments and even some images like a butterfly, a flower, can do a cupcake, more flowers, leaves, and lots of great sentiments. I love the heart there. Birthday wishes, big thanks. For someone extra special, love you, proud of you, always in my heart, healing hugs, miss you, and thinking of you. So you get this stamp set along with all the products as well. Again, let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and if you got one. Anyway, have fun with the new 2025 Stampin' Up Advent Calendar. See you next time.